Congratulations on choosing BCP Builder to record your business continuity plan. I am confident you are going to find my online template extremely useful and increase your organizational resilience simply by recording your critical information in one place that you can access online. I have developed BCP Builder to help strategic leaders prepare a business continuity plan in 1 week without spending endless hours on administration and formatting. I have implemented business continuity in a large organization with over 250 individual sites and am a certified member of the Business Continuity Institute. In this video, I am going to show you how to get the most from this template and make the simple process even easier. You can get started on your business continuity planning right away. The first tab is Company Information. This is where you will record details of your organization. Every section has a notes or feedback box at the bottom. In my experience, questions arise during the planning process that you don't want to write into the plan, but need to remember until they are resolved. This is the perfect place to record these questions or notes that you want to return to later. To navigate to the next section, you can click on the up arrow in the bottom right corner and choose the tab you want to go to. Activation and stand down is where you will record the details on the circumstances which would trigger activation of your plan. Your response team should be the best people in your organization to handle a crisis. There are a number of recovery responsibilities which should be allocated. In a smaller organization or department, one person could take on multiple roles. When you have completed this section, if you would like to reorder your list, you can simply move the response team around using this feature or add more team members by clicking this button. The next tab is where you will record the details of your relocation site and upload your written agreement, if you have one. The tabs for service providers, suppliers, and key clients also have the drag and drop feature, so you can put them in order of importance. You can add a row or remove a row by clicking on the plus or minus symbol which appears when you hover your mouse over this area. The Key Clients tab also has the option to upload a list rather than typing in client details. If you want to remove an existing attachment, you need to click on this X, then choose Add File to select a replacement file from previously uploaded documents, or upload a new file from your computer. The Essential Equipment tab is to record what you will need to get back up and running should you have to relocate and has the same editing features as the other lists. The Business Impact Analysis is a place to record your key products and services in order of priority. This list will be a useful discussion tool and helps you decide which areas of your business to focus on first when recovering from a crisis. When you have completed this list, move the items around so they are in order of priority and ensure you have consensus on this with your team. The Risk and Threat Assessment includes examples that have been identified in the Business Continuity Institute 2018 Horizon Scan report as the top threats to give you some inspiration. You should record any mitigation measures you have taken, then rank each threat by impact level and likelihood and calculate your risk score based on the values listed here. Once this is calculated, you can put these in order of importance. Only the risk score will be visible on the print version, so you can use an existing risk score if your organization has its own system. Once you have identified the main threats to business continuity in your organization, you can prepare appropriate incident response procedures. The incident response procedures should be the most comprehensive area of your plan. This is where you record how you would like your business to respond to any scenario. BCP Builder includes a number of suggested procedures and entries, but these should be tailored to suit your business. For the staff contact list, you can either input your employee details or upload an existing list. Details of your local emergency services, such as police, ambulance, fire, and local hospitals, are recorded here. The final tab is Appendices, where you can upload any attachments you would like to include with your plan. When you have completed your plan, simply click Save Plan to access the print version and download a PDF of your completed plan. The PDF includes a contents page and bookmarks so you can easily navigate your plan. The bookmarks are populated based on your entries, so if you have a large number of incident response procedures, they can still be easily navigated using this feature. Thank you for watching this training video. I have developed this resilience framework to help you identify how prepared your organization is for a sudden disruption and decide if you can afford to be unprepared. BCP Builder can work for your organization, whether you have no plan, are just starting to plan, or have a working plan that you would like to move on to an easier format. If you are ready to increase your chances of surviving a disruption, please click on the Try BCP Builder button below to go to the BCP Builder website to create your account now.